number 4. Number 4, when you look at your shape, think, okay, is it a parallelogram? Does it have 2 sets of parallel sides, or is one set not parallel? So I look and I look at the 3 and the 6, they're parallel, but the 3 and the 4 are not. So that means this is a trapezoid. So I look at my formula chart, and I look at the trapezoid, and I say, all right, there's my formula. Area equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. And I write that right there. Okay, so then I think, okay, what do my bases have to be again? Base 1 and base 2. What do they have to be again? They have to be, say it, they have to be parallel. So I'm looking for the parallel sides. So I'll notice this side right here, it's diagonal, and this side is straight. So I know if they keep going like this, mind my pencil, they will meet right there, right? So they're not parallel. But if I look at the 3 and the 6, they are parallel. So those 2 lines will be my bases. So I'm going to say base 1. I'm going to say base 2. Remember, it doesn't matter which is which. You could have said base 1 up here and base 2 down here. It doesn't matter because we're going to put them right here in the parentheses, and addition is commutative. We can switch the places, okay? Now for the height. We have to decide. Is my height 3 or is the height 4? Remember, what do we look for? What do we look for? Do we look for the diagonal line or the straight line that makes we call it a right angle? Even though it wasn't labeled, this has to be the height because this is obviously not right angles, right? So that's definitely the right angle. I'm going to circle it so I know, and I can look up here, that's a right angle too, right? The height forms a right angle with both of the bases. So h is going to equal 3. So I'll come over here, say a equals 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So base 1 is 6. So I rewrite my formula, bring my half down. Some of you are not going to want to bring that half down, but if you don't bring that half down, you're going to forget to take half. Okay, I promise you, you will. So I'm going to say 6. It's base 1. Base 2 is 3, so 6 plus 3. And then my height is 3. So I'm going to say 1/2 times 9 times 3. So I look at this and I say, okay, 1/2 of 9, I don't know what that is off the top of my head. 1/2 of 3, yeah, I don't know what that is off the top of my head. So instead of taking half of these first, I'm going to go ahead and multiply 9 times 3 first, since they're both odd. So 1/2 of 9 times 3 is 27, right? And then I'm just going to take half of 27. And how do I take half of 27? I have to divide it by 2. So I'm just going to do it right here. So 27 divided by 2. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 7. 2, 4, 6, 3 times. Subtract, I get 1. Add a decimal and a 0. Bring it down. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Bring my decimal up. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So it's 13.5 inches squared. I ran out of room. Inches squared. Okay. So you don't always have to take half of the number. You can do that, multiply that part first. And that's the cool thing about multiplication. It's commutative, right? You can do it in any order.